Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini to create your project, let's say your website. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website through Gemini. So what you have to do, you have to go to the browser, Google Chrome, let's say, and here you have to go for the Gemini and google.gemini.com, and now from here you can actually ask for the file and all the things. So you have two different way to do this. One is you can actually create let's say your all the file separately from here. So you can actually give here a prompt and it will actually create all the files separately. But the thing is, you cannot get here the whole project. I mean, you have to download all the files and then you have to add it to your project. Or maybe you can actually generate code here and then you can copy the code and paste it in your project, let's say any code editor. But if you want the second option, and that is it will actually create complete website for you and you don't need to do any coding, and you just have to actually download the project. Okay, it will complete the whole project for you. So let's go for the second option, and to actually access the second option you have to actually go for the Google AI Studio. Okay, and you have to actually click here in the Google AI Studio. Now you can click here get started. From here in the left side you will find build option, so click here build, and from here you can actually describe your idea. So I will say that create a portfolio website for me. Now I'll actually click here in the build, then it will actually build the project for me. Here in the right side, if you click here in the code section, you can see that it will actually show you all the code here. All right. And after that you can actually download this also. Here you can see download app, but let's just go for the preview. But to see the preview you have to actually wait until you actually complete all the steps. And you can see this is our portfolio site. Okay, so that's it guys. Now we can actually download this also, and if you click here in the download app, here our project will be downloaded. Here you can see. So this is actually you can use Gemini for coding also. So I hope you understand. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.